Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you a tour of a beautiful heritage home all decorated for Christmas in a beautiful vintage glam style. If you have been following along over the past few weeks, you'll know that I've mentioned that I had the opportunity to decorate a gorgeous heritage home in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada for charity. So the charity is called Junior League of Edmonton, and it's a group of women and girl volunteers that do so much for our city. Last weekend we had an event called Homes for the Holidays. It's their biggest fundraiser. So 5 homeowners volunteer their home, and then there's 5 designers and 5 florists, and we all get together and decorate these gorgeous homes for the holidays. And then some tickets are sold and people are able to tour through all 5 of the homes and enjoy all of the Christmas decor and get some inspiration for their own Christmas decor, and then all of the proceeds go to the Junior League of Edmonton. So I had the privilege of decorating this amazing 1912 craftsman home in Edmonton. It's really a dream house, and it's a heritage home, and then there was some additions made to it later on, and it had such a cool vintage modern look to it. So the front of the home was all original, and then the back was added onto in more of a modern industrial sort of style. So it took me a while to decide on a theme for this home, but when I saw all of the black glossy cabinets in there and the black floors and kind of that marriage of modern and heritage, I thought it would look so beautiful in a vintage glam style, sort of inspired by old Hollywood and Art Deco design. So today I am so excited to be able to share with you what I did in this home. I'm going to give you the full tour of the home, and I hope you really enjoy it and get some inspiration for your own home if you love this vintage glam style. After you watch this video, let me know in the comments below which part of this home was your favorite. I really hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. I had the honor to work with Peggy of Hypnotic Bloom in Edmonton, and she created the most beautiful greenery arrangements for this home. This wreath on the door is the perfect mix of Christmas greens, gold and white Christmas balls, and rustic pine cones, and it's the first look at the white, black, green, and gold color scheme for this home's decor. Upon entering the home, the first space is a rich wood-trimmed entry with a built-in bench. I created a DIY rustic glam wreath for the closet door. You can get the tutorial for that in the description box below, and used a small pre-lit spruce tree for simple decor on the floor. The next room is the large front room, and the mantle is a showstopper. The florist created an incredible mantle display with live greenery, flowers, Christmas balls, and pearls to wrap around a gilded mirror on this glossy black fireplace. It is truly a glamorous look, and I love it so much. I was able to borrow a curvy sectional from a shop called Find in Edmonton that sells used furniture to support people moving out of homelessness. I thought the glam look of the sectional went perfectly with my vintage glam theme, and some sparkly and furry pillows from HomeSense, Walmart, and The Brick helped make the couch even more cozy. I also loved how the sleek sectional contrasted with the homeowner's beautiful tufted velvet chairs. For the Christmas tree in the main room, I used a variety of black velvet ribbon, gold ribbon, and white, black, and gold ornaments for a neutral but sparkly look. White ostrich feathers also added texture and an old Hollywood feel. We also added some metallic snowflake decals to the glass stair railings that I made with my Cricut. A faux eucalyptus wreath, a sparkling garland, and some Christmas tree cones add a festive feel to this beautiful wooden piano by the tree. To make the spare bedroom on the main floor feel cozy and welcoming, we added some fluffy pillows and a blanket to the bed, a garland on the headboard, and some ornaments and ostrich feathers around the room. The homeowner's antique sewing machine and chippy dresser were a gorgeous touch in this space. The bathroom was already so glamorous with its glossy black trim and vanity, so we just simply added some gilded vases with ostrich feathers and some festive towels to add a simple touch to the room for Christmas. The back room is a beautiful sitting area, dining area, and kitchen combo, and we decorated this mantel with simple greenery and stockings. We also decorated the built-in shelves with various gold Christmas decor and greenery. I love these blue velvet chairs that the homeowner had, and the furry pillows and the rug. Over the homeowner's buffet, we painstakingly swapped out some photos for some festive wrapping paper, wreaths, greenery bits, and stockings to create a Christmas gallery wall. I also brought my paper village, which I made from a paper pack from Michael's a couple of years ago, and bottle brush trees to display on top of the buffet. The table centerpiece is another beautiful creation by the florist, and I love the abundant greenery, the white flowers, glittering ornaments, pearls, and gold hoops. The place settings are made up of the homeowner's gorgeous vintage china, some simple linen napkins, and some name cards tied around gilded floral picks. Some simple faux greenery wreaths attached to these vintage black chairs with satin ribbon complete this glamorous Christmas table. The Christmas tree in this space is decorated in gold ornaments and romantic ribbon. The kitchen has a modern industrial look with some vintage touches, and we kept its decor pretty simple. On the island, the florist created a beautiful floral arrangement in a bowl, and we flanked it with 2 decorative deer ornaments. I also created a little hot chocolate station on the other corner of the island using a 3-tier tray, copper mugs, mason jars, and some sugar cookies. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful heritage home. Again, let me know in the comments below which part was your favorite. I want to thank the Junior League for letting me be a featured designer. And I want to thank the amazing homeowner for lending out her home. She was so gracious and she helped so much, and she even lent some of her own decor. I want to thank Hypnotic Blooms in Edmonton for doing the gorgeous florals in this home. She was incredible. I want to thank my friends and my mom for helping out decorate and tear down. It was such a huge job. I could not have done it without your help. I want to thank my husband for bringing furniture into the home and just being there to support me. We had kind of a rough day when we set up this home, and I just want to thank him for keeping it together through the whole thing. I also want to thank Find in Edmonton for loaning the couch, and the amazing woman who purchased the couch, and that money went right to Find to support housing in Edmonton and get a family out of homelessness and furnish a home. So all in all, this was a fabulous experience, and I hope that you were able to get something from this tour and from this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas and for more Christmas ideas. Stay tuned for my own home tour coming soon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.